Hi guys, welcome back to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Opportunities like this don't come very often. This 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms house in Knockpatrick sits on an elevated third of an acre in a private cul-de-sac and provides the perfect canvas for your dream countryside masterpiece. This home, only 10 minutes outside of Mandeville, was recently renovated, boasting granite kitchen counters, modern tiles and fittings, and a double-height gallery or atrium. Do not hesitate to make this property your own. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 28.5 million or US $185,100. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen. Or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.